In 1997, NOAA captured a sound that echoed across the Pacific Ocean, dubbed as the Bloop, a mysterious low frequency noise that baffled scientists and sparked wild speculation. This eerie sound was no ordinary noise. It reached volumes louder than any known marine creature, leaving experts scratching their heads. Recorded at an unprecedented range of over 5,000 kilometers, the bloop resonated an ultra low frequency matching the calls of certain marine animals. After extensive analysis, scientists concluded that the bloop originated from natural phenomena, specifically the fracturing and cracking of massive Antarctic icebergs.